Okay children, welcome to Razu Library. In today's class, we are continuing algebra. So, in previous class I explained what are the constants, what are the variables, what are the algebraic terms and numerical terms. So, in this class we are going to learn about types of algebraic expressions. So, how many types are there? Look at the board. Here, first one is monomial, the second one is binomial, third one trinomial and multinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. So, what is monomial? Monomial means if an expression, which expression? An algebraic expression. If an algebraic expression contains only one term, that is, for example, if you take a 2x, contains only one term. If you take 2x, it is a monomial because of a single term. Monomial means a single term. Whatever you take. I am taking here 2x. You can take minus 3y. You can take z divided by 5 also. Here z is a variable, 5 is a constant. Z by 5 is also a single term. It is also monomial. So these are the examples for monomials. Okay. Next, binomial. What is binomial? Binomial means contains two terms. It means if an algebraic expression containing two terms is called a binomial, whatever it may be. For example, if you take 2x minus 5, here 2x is one term, 5 is another term. Whatever it may be numerical term or algebraic term. See, here binomial means this expression must contain one algebraic term. The 2x is algebraic term. And the second one you can take your choice, whether it may be numerical term or algebraic term. If you want to take both algebraic terms, so you can take like this, 2x minus y. Here 2x is one term, y is another term. You can observe here minus is dividing into two terms. Minus is dividing into two terms. For example, if you take 7x minus 3y. 7x minus 3y. Here this minus is dividing into two terms, that is 7x and 3y. If you take 8x plus 9y, it is binomial because of this plus is dividing into two terms, that is 8x and 9y. Let us see, here trinomial means if an algebraic expression containing three terms. Let us see, x plus y minus z. X plus y minus z. How many terms are there? Only three terms. 1, 2, 3. How we can say? Here plus and minus are dividing into three terms. So here it is called a trinomial. Let us take one more example. X minus 7y plus 5. X minus 7y plus 5. Here it is called a trinomial. Why? Because it contains three terms. 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. How can we say? Here minus and plus dividing into terms. How many terms? Three terms. So it is called a trinomial. Whatever you take. Here 5 is there. Sir, shall we take a numerical term also? Yes, we can take. Why? Because remaining two terms are algebraic terms. To say an algebraic expression, it must contain one algebraic term. So here x and 7y are algebraic terms. So no problem. You can take a constant term. One constant term. Let us see the next one, multinomial. Multinomial means what? If an algebraic expression contains two or more terms, see, it is very important. If an algebraic expression contains two or more terms, then we can call it as a multinomial. You may be having doubt. What is that? 2. If an algebraic expression contains two terms, then we can call it as a binomial. Sir, how can we call it as multinomial? See, 2 or more means what? 3 terms. 3 terms is there, means we can call it as a trinomial. Then how can we call it as a multinomial? Yes, your doubt is exactly correct. Here, every binomial and trinomial is also called multinomial. This is important. Every binomial and trinomial is also called as a multinomial. Why? Because in binomial, two terms are there. What is our definition? If an algebraic expression contains two terms means it becomes binomial. More means what? 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, 7 terms, like that. So 3 terms means trinomial. It means every binomial and trinomial is also called as a multinomial. We can call every binomial is a multinomial, every trinomial is also a multinomial. Then can we say every multinomial is a binomial? Can we say every multinomial is a trinomial? We cannot say. Why? Because a multinomial may having 4 terms, 5 terms also. 5 terms are there, means can we say it is a binomial? Binomial means only 2 terms. If an algebraic expression containing 6 terms means can we say it is a trinomial? We cannot say. Here the main thing is every binomial and trinomial is also called as a multinomial, but every multinomial need not be a binomial or a trinomial. Need not be binomial or trinomial. It is important. Okay. Okay children, do you understand here one thing? What is that? See, to say binomial, trinomial, multinomial, we are using plus or minus. Here, a monomial means it is a single term 2x or 7y or anything 9z. So these are the monomials, means single terms. But when we take binomial, 5x minus 4 and 3x plus 7. Here it is a binomial, it is also binomial. How can we say? Here 5x is a algebraic term, 4 is a numerical term, minus is dividing into 2 terms. Here plus is dividing into 2 terms. In trinomial also, if you take x plus 2y minus 7, here plus minus is there, x plus 2y minus z. Here plus and minus are dividing into terms. In multinomial also, whatever it may be, here we can understand one thing, that is plus and minus can divide into terms. This is very important. Plus and minus can divide into terms. Okay children, thanks for watching my channel.